Alright guys, we're at the zoo. We're gonna go see some animals. You ready, sweetie? Alright, let's go. Right there.
You really want to see the tigers?
Go to there. Okay, careful. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Whee!
Thank you.
Wow, very cool.
Very cool.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna get a closer look. This is what we've been waiting for. Wow, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Whoa. Okay, be careful right here, okay? Right here. They're not sharks, they're sea lions. They're nice. Okay, they swim. Look this silly, they're upside down. Alright, let's go. Okay, look, there's a monkey right here. Wow. Look, you see them right here? They're right there. Wow, look at their tails. That's cool. Wow. It's a lemur. Mm-hmm. Look, see, that's it right there. That's what they look like right there. That's them right there. Wow, very cool.
We do have our wallabies. They're going to be the smaller ones, whereas the kangaroos are going to be the larger.
Look at the kangaroo, but don't touch anything, okay?
Wow, careful, buddy. Wow, look at those.
Yay.
Right there. Whoa. He's bigger. He's bigger than me.
You want to try it?
I like that.
You're small, sweetie. Look.
It's the Zumba. Warthog. Wow, that's so cool. Wow. Look, the alligator right there.
Oh.
Give me a hug.
Yeah,
yeah.
get him.
Hold on. Let me hold you right here. Look, he's sleeping.
He's right
sleeping
there in the water.
Right there in the water. He's like, he's sleeping.
Throw something at him.
That's
so he
so
gets out.
scary.
Oh, look at that big one right there in the bushes.
No.
They call me Big Gator. They call me Big Gator.
Crocodile.
I'm Big Gator.
Crocodile.
Yep. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, a giant anteater. Oh my goodness, boy.
Either.
Is that really how you be? Wow, look
Are
at
you
you.
funny?
He's funny. Oh my goodness, he eats the ants.
Right there.
Oh, wow, yeah. Cool. Yeah.
That's why.
Oh no, what is this one? All right, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We're still having that giveaway, okay? And happy Halloween to everybody. This has been the Fresno Chaffee Zoo. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Colorful.
They're gonna come up to us. We're gonna see them. We're gonna go through. Oh, you have to pay to feed them. We're just in right here. Oh my goodness.
I like a phone.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That's so cool. How could you?